Very good morning, girls. Today is the third session of our subject, that is Computer Science 3 DBMS using FoxPro. In previous two lectures, we have seen as a theory part what is FoxPro, what is database, file, field, record, what is programming, and the two parts of DBMS, that is database part and programming part. We have also seen that the whole subject is covered in 1 year. In third semester, programming part is covered, and in fourth semester, database part is covered. Today is going to be your first demo lecture of FoxPro. The way we have been teaching in classroom will be the same way I am teaching in the online session. But before starting our demo lecture, as a part of our practice, let us have a good thought. So, today's thought is one of the most wonderful things about time is the fact that you cannot waste it in advance. No matter how much time you have wasted in past, the next hour will be perfect, unspoiled, and ready for you to make the very best of it. Means ટાઈમ જે છે એ ગમે એટલો તમે વેસ્ટ કર્યો હોય, તમને ભવિષ્યમાં નવો નવો ટાઈમ જે છે એ મળતો જ રહેશે. એટલે ભૂતકાળમાં ભલે ગમે તે થયું હોય, ગઈ ક્ષણમાં પણ ગમે તે થયું હોય, પણ આવતી ક્ષણ છે, આવતી કલાક છે એ પરફેક્ટ જ છે, અને એનો આપણે એકદમ સરસ ઉપયોગ કરશું એવું મનમાં આપણે નિશ્ચય કરવાનો છે. નાવ let us start FoxPro. Let me tell you, girls, that FoxPro is a package under Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0. Just like we install Microsoft Office or other software in our computer, in the same way we can install Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0. It is easily available. How to open it? We need to click on Start menu, select all programs. In that there will be Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0. Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0. Click on that and you will get a list of softwares under that studio. One of them is Microsoft Visual FoxPro 6.0. Now, guys, before clicking on the software, I would advise all of you to have a note and pen with you, because just like in classroom we were running all the commands, we were writing the programs, in the same way here you have to run the commands. No doubt I will provide you time to write the example, to write the output, but then also you cannot remember it orally. You will have to write it, and if possible you should install this software in your computer and try to perform all the commands which I perform in this online lecture. So be ready with your pen and note. Now I am clicking on Microsoft Visual Fox Pro 6.0. You can see the screen. Microsoft Visual Fox Pro. Guys, we can have a glimpse of the screen. Let me give you a brief introduction to the screen of Fox Pro. You know it very well that at the top of the screen you will get the title bar. In the title bar, either you can see the name of the file which is opened, but right now there is no file opened, so only Microsoft Visual Fox Pro is displayed. Right hand side, top right corner, we have three buttons: minimize, restore and close. So just like other windows of Notepad or Word or WordPad or Excel, you can also use these three buttons to minimize, maximize or close the software, the application. Then following that title bar, we have menu bar. We have different menus like file, edit, view, format, tools, program, window, help. Whenever we shall require to use the options from this menu, we shall use them. Right now, you don't need to learn any of the menus. As Fox Pro is made up of commands, so here we have to remember and we have to type the commands only. And as I told you earlier, you need to write each and every command so that you can remember them and try it practically. Here we have a toolbar which allows you to create a new file or open existing file or save a file just like Word and Excel. But this will not be used as far as the programs are concerned. Programs લખતી વખતે as such we are not going to use this tools. So you just have to know that this is title bar, this is menu bar, this is toolbar. But in Fox Pro, most of the actions will be taken, most of the programs will be written and executed by using commands only. Now, the most important thing comes here is this. It is totally new for you. આખી એક નવી વસ્તુ તમારી સામે આવી ગઈ છે. It is called command window. It is called command window. This command window, its name says command window. Window, you can see this is just like a window. And here you can write commands. So guys, each command, whatever command, one by one I shall teach you all the commands. So each command can be typed here and can be executed from here. Unlike C language, you don't need to type a whole program to run a single command. As I told you in previous lectures, say for example you want to print your name. Say for example you want to print your name. Very simple. So what did you do in C language? You created whole program, you wrote each and every statement, then you saved it and you tried to run it through Control F9. Then you got the output. Okay, now my name is printed on the screen. Here it is not like that. Here you can just write the command to print here in the command window and directly it will be printed. It is much easy than C language. So here you can type different commands. Now guys, this command window is resizable. You can change its size like this. You can also change its place. Tamare, if you want it here, okay. If you want it here, by just dragging and dropping. mouse से click કરી રાખો and then you can move this. See, I am moving this. Okay, you can also change its size by clicking on the right edge of the screen. In fact, from anywhere you can change its size. This is the general size of the window. After setting the place and size of the window, I would like to set my window over here so it can be easily visible. Now it is fixed that my window size will be this and the place will be this, so I can start typing. But you can observe that the default font of the commands are very small. So it will be difficult for you students to read when I am typing. So from the format menu, I am changing the font size. So go to format menu, in that select font. We have a font dialog box over here, just like Word or Notepad, where you can select the font. If you wish to change the font, okay, let us also change the font. So I have selected Calibri. If you want to change its size, and style, bold, underline, italic, કંઈ પણ style change કરવી છે, you can change the style as well as size of the font. So you can see the current size of font is 10. I am going to make it 20. So you can easily read the commands. Now the font size is 20. So whatever I'll type will be in 20 font. Let me increase it again, font, and say 26. Now the font size will be 26. So whatever I type will be in the 26 size of font, and it will be Calibri. It's upon you whatever you want to write, whatever you want to keep the font size, phase, it is your choice. Now throughout the year we have to work in this screen only. In first term, that is third semester, we shall write programs, and in fourth semester we shall create database. Okay, but before creating anything, let me just introduce you to very simple commands of FoxPro, so that you can have idea of FoxPro, okay, how it works, how it differs from C. As I told you, okay, it is Windows based application, it is not DOS based application. So in C we had a blue screen and a different font, right, and it was a little bit difficult to write and understand programs of C language, and of course it was your first year and the field was also new for you. But now I think it will be easy to learn because the screen is user friendly. It is like Windows screen, જેમ આપણે બીજા બધામાં વર્ક કરીએ છીએ, વર્ડ, એક્સેલ, એક્સેસ, પાવરપોઈન્ટ. In the same way, here we can change the font size, we can change the output, color, design, everything we can apply. So you will definitely enjoy. It is an interesting subject and you will definitely enjoy learning this. Say for example, first command is clear. Clear is the command. You have seen this command in previous slides. Clear. The command name is clear. And એનું કામ શું છે? To clear the screen. Very simple. Very simple. The meaning of clear in English language is that you can clear something. કંઈક ચોખ્ખું કરવા માટે. Here also the name is same, clear. અને એનું કામ શું છે? કે again clear the screen. So as I typed the command, it turned to blue. એનો કલર કેવો થઈ ગયો છે? Blue. That means કે this is right. If I had made any mistake, મેં કંઈક મિસ્ટેક કરી હોત, spelling mistake, so it would not turn to blue color. It will be in black color. Black color છે, that means there is some spelling mistake. Okay, so clear is right now CLEAR is the spelling of clear as well as spelling of our command. So it turned to blue. Now we have to press enter key. Girls, after writing any command, after writing a single command on the command window, you have to press enter. You can see this command can clear the screen, but right now this is the first command. So what to clear? Because we have not written anything. આપણે કાંઈ લખ્યું જ નથી. હા, કાંઈ સ્ક્રીન ઉપર છે જ નહીં. તો what to clear? So first of all we need to write something on the screen. For that purpose we need a command to print something. To print, we had printf in C language. Now forget it, because C language is no more in your syllabus. Now we have to learn the commands of FoxPro to print a statement or a name or something, whatever you want to print. So here the command is question mark. Very simple, question mark. Okay, and as you know કે character string should be written in quotation mark. So question mark, then you have to write hello. Say for example, hello. So we have written question mark and hello. Nothing else, no formalities, no program, કાંઈ જ નહીં. Because the command is question mark. And a command window it allows you to run any command. It allows you to run any command. So if you write question mark hello, then it will print hello on the screen. Just press enter. Hello is printed, but again it is not visible. So let me change the screen font. Guys, previously we have changed the font of command window. એમાં જે કમાન્ડ લખાઈને આવે છે એના ફોન્ટ ચેન્જ કર્યા. નાઉ આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ ચેન્જ ધ ફોન્ટ ઓફ આઉટપુટ, એટલે કે સ્ક્રીન ઉપર જે કાંઈ પણ દેખાય છે, આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ ચેન્જ ઇટ્સ ફોન્ટ. તો આઈ શુડ ક્લિક ઓન શિફ્ટ કી. આઈ શુડ ક્લિક ઓન શિફ્ટ કી અને અગેન ગો ટુ ફોર્મેટ મેનુ. There you can see screen font. Press shift key, go to format menu through mouse and select first option, screen font. Again change the font and make it 26. Okay. So now whatever I print will be in 26 font. But before that I should clear the screen. So again I shall write clear command. Now you can see the screen will be cleared. Again I shall print hello. You can see that hello is printed on the screen. Okay. Next I want to print something else. So question mark command will automatically print it on the next line. It is default. We don't need to make any setting. Automatically it will print on the next line. So in one line we have printed hello. In another line FoxPro will print good morning. Done. So we have used two commands, clear and question mark in FoxPro. So clear is used to clear something from the screen, and question mark is used to print something on the screen. Again I shall apply clear command and again I shall press enter key. So again hello good morning is cleared from the screen. Likewise girls, if you have printed anything on the screen, maybe a full screen of our output will be there. So single command, khali clear command thi you can clear the whole screen. I hope it is clear to all of you that FoxPro is having a command window. It is a Windows based application. It allows you to enter single command in the command window, and after entering any command we have to press enter key so that that command will be executed. Today we have learnt only two commands of FoxPro, clear and hello. Clear will clear the screen and question mark command will print something on the screen. Whatever string you have to print should be written with the question mark command and simply press enter. Is that clear? I hope all of you are enjoying learning this software, and we are going very slowly, just 2 commands today. In the next lecture we shall have more commands. We shall learn how to write program, how to save program, how to run a program. Till then, take care of yourself and goodbye.